Asian families like the Patels are a familiar sight in London. They've come here in search of a better life, bringing with them their own distinctive customs and language. In culture and outlook, they seem worlds away from these pupils at the Welsh School in Willesden, North London. Yet in some ways, they're much closer than you'd imagine. The Patels and all the other corner shop Asians are the direct inheritors of a tradition established by the grandparents and great-grandparents of those children. It's true they've travelled much further, but for a Welsh-speaking Welshman from the foothills of Plinlimmon, 200 miles would have seemed as big a leap as halfway around the world. He, too, had to adapt to show the resilience and courage of all those who have moved into the world's largest cities in search of wealth and security, enriching their new surroundings and eager to sing their song in a strange land.